So hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about let versus where with more examples. Okay. In the previous video you have already discussed that let is a block scope, where is a function scope, let keyword are not hosted, where keyword are hosted, let keyword should be declared first before use due to hosting concept, not need to declare first before use, that is not mandatory. Redeclaration is allowed and redeclaration is not allowed. Means if you declare, no meaning. Okay. So what is redeclaration means that? Okay. So theoretically I think we have explained. Okay. And in the previous video I think already discussed, but I thought, okay, that is the not someone, if you that video is watching, so might be a chance that they cannot get clarity. Okay. So I thought let's make more videos, okay, related to redeclaration is allowed and redeclaration is not allowed. On this point we are going to discuss that. Okay. Then let's go to the console. Okay. And now we are trying to define, okay, using examples you can see here. Okay. So suppose this is, we are going to delete that. Okay. And then again we are trying to explain this. Okay. We have already written that code. Okay. So here we have defined a function redeclaration allowed. Okay. Means we are going to use that function. Okay. Redeclaration, we have named the function name is redeclaration, and then curly braces start and curly braces end here, and we are calling that method. Okay. So now here where number 1 is equal to 10, that is the variable we are defining using where keyword, and that console.log we are printing the number 1 here. And if number 1 is equal to 10, so the controller will go inside the if block and will define one more variable number 1. Means let number 1 is equal to 20, and then the number 1 will be print here, and then controller will go to outside if the if block, and then we are printing number 1 after if block number 1. Okay. So why we have named here the number if block, number before if block, number after if block, that we can understand which console that is printing. Okay. So the declaration allowed means that this variable name, whatever we are using, that should be redeclared using let keyword. Okay. So let keyword is providing a facility that you can use the same name whatever you have used to declare the variable. So you can use the same name to redeclare the variable. So here we have used where number 1 is equal to 10, but same name you are using to redeclare the number 1 is equal to 20. Okay. So that is the providing let keyword is providing redeclaration. That is the meaning of that. Okay. So let's execute. So you can see here number 1 will be 10 here if block, before if block is 10, and then controller goes number 1 is equal to 10. Yes, condition is met. Okay. Then let number 1 is equal to define 20, and then console.log number 1 if block is equal to number 1, means number 1 will be checked inside the if block. Okay, there is number 1, so we will be check 20, and outside of the controller will check. Okay. Now the here number 1 is equal to 10. So why number 1 after if block is 10? You can already understand in the previous video that you have already checked that in the let is a function scope. Okay. So let whatever the you have variable we are defining in the block, that will be the we can not access outside of the block. So here we are defining inside the if block, so that number 1 value should not be accessed outside of the block, but we are accessing here. So it will check that in this block, in here ending and starting here, in this block we have used any number 1. Yes, we have number 1, we have used that number 1. So controller will check, yes, we have a number 1 variable. Okay. And then we print, then and the value is printing here 10. So after if block is 10. So you can understand that redeclaration is allowed. Okay, means if you have used var number 1 equal to 10, so that same name you can use in any block to redeclare the variable using let keyword. Okay, but second point is that using where keyword redeclaration is not allowed. Okay, so here if suppose we have defined let, okay, let redeclaration not allowed. Okay, so let number 1 is equal to 10, we have already defined number 1 is equal to 10, and then console.log is equal to a same function we are using. Okay, number 1 is equal to 10, so we are using to redeclare the number 1. Okay, so here we are going to redeclare the number 1 using where keyword. So where, what is the providing by the where keyword? Where keyword provide redeclaration is not allowed. Why? Due to the hosting concept, what the controller will check, okay, you have used where keyword, so internally they will add the top of the function. Okay, top of the function, and the value should be undefined. Undefined. Okay, so internally javascript controller will declare on the top of the function. Okay, and value should be the default value should be undefined. Okay, that is internally happened by the javascript virtual machine. Okay, so that's why we cannot declare redeclare we cannot redeclare the uh, using where keyword. Okay, so here, so that you can see here now if you are executing the function. Okay, because we have already declared using let keyword, but we are again defining, okay, using a where keyword. Okay, declaring and defining, so that is not allowed. Using where keyword, redeclaration is not allowed. So you can see here that identifier number 1 is already been declared, because internally javascript what will do, this will add here, and then we'll check, okay, already you are using, okay, already has been defined, so why you are using the number 1 here using let keyword. Okay, because internally javascript controller will add on the top of how you are using again, so that is a throwing error, syntactical error must. So redeclaration is not allowed using where keyword, but using let keyword, you can see here using let keyword, the we are able to redeclare here, and we can, sorry, that is the let that is the where, and that is the let. So what will be the redeclaration here? Here we have already using already first we have declared using where keyword, and then we are going to use the let keyword to declare the variable. Okay, and that is accepted. Okay, then getting 10, 20, and here after we block 10. But redeclaration is not allowed using a where keyword if already we have used let to declare variable here. So here you can see here we have already used first let keyword to use, and then again we are going to define or declare and define where keyword number 1 with same name, so that is not allowed. So that is the meaning of that. Redeclaration is allowed using let keyword, and redeclaration is not allowed using where keyword. If you are declaring, so no meaning here. You can see now we are throwing error. Okay, so that's all. If the video is going to helpful for you, so you can like and comment. Okay, thank you so much.